cut, cut. I'm just going to turn to the side. Cut, cut.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
Space between the legs. Don't walk a fucking tightrope. Don't be just on either side of it. Square up more. Again, could be multiple opponents, right? We've got environment. We need to move laterally as well as giving space. The right knife is perfectly in line with your forearm. It'd be perfect alignment with my elbow. Wouldn't be down here, wouldn't be up here, would be perfect alignment with my elbow. What I'm doing is I'm pushing in, and as I cut this, there's a circular cut. There's a raking of the blade. Okay, so it's not touch straight through and then back and reset. There's a circular, there's a slashing. And then if you really got it, there's a little flex in the wrist where you're dragging, you're raking the blade. So I'm just showing you a lot of the wrist and the arm motion. So not this, not a back and forth, not a mechanical through, a raking. And see how it cuts, flexes in my wrist, and pulls back faster than it went out. That's how you're getting that slash, that deep, quick, hard slash. So now when you're putting everything together, it presses from the floor, leg, heel, knee, hip, core, shoulder. So now slash, 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 slash. Only make sure, obviously, keep both knives. Cut, 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 cut. I'm just going to turn to the side. Cut, 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 cut.